Ruby, what's up? Yeah, so me and Anastasia have been trying to film a vlog for you for like 6 days. There she is, by the way. But we kind of can't. I don't know. We just fail for some reason.
Friends right now.
So now we're watching Friends. There's Anastasia sitting in a big bag.
See, okay. Now, addition to the tape are the chipped glasses.
Yeah.
If you can see that. Wait, is this light turned on?
You probably can't. Yes, there is one more light. Wait, let me do
We
this.
should do this during the day, man.
No, we should
You
not.
procrastinate.
It's okay. Oh, there's a light. Yeah, it works. Yeah, that's all we have here. Sadly, there's stairs.
Yeah, so.
Okay, so basically, hi.
We're watching Friends.
We're watching Friends. There's Charlie.
Yo.
They see that little black thing moving there. Charlie. So yeah, so we've just been wanting to film for you, but we're failing at it. So here we go.
So we're failing even now. And look, I'm not that much shorter than
See,
her.
she's growing.
Ish.
Which is awesome sauce. Yeah. So hi, how are you? What's up? Anastasia's stupid. She's standing on my Okay. So we think you should subscribe to Antoine Dotson and Autotone.
Subscribe to Antoine Dotson. Subscribe to Autotune News.
So yeah, I don't know if that was very.
So hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband because they're ripping everybody out here.
So how is everything? That's what we want. That's my main question. What's up? How's life? How's everything going? We know you miss us. Don't lie.
Yeah.
Okay, you probably don't, but that's okay. We'll survive.
Yeah. But you know, you missed the fact that you had to, I don't know, терпеть нас.
Yeah, that you.
But that doesn't make much sense.
Я буду немножко по-русски разговаривать, чтобы ты могла практиковаться. Ну, как у тебя все дела? Я тебя уже спросила на 4 языках. Ну, как у тебя дела?
На 4 языках, 2.
Shut up! Как у тебя дела, Настя?
Охайо гозаймасу.
Oh my gosh. Look, baby Georgie.
Can you see Georgie?
Dude, yeah, you can. Look at him, he looks exactly the same.
He looks exactly like you.
Dude, that's really creepy.
Dude, he looks like
See, baby Ani.
That's freaky shit. Whoa.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh
Careful.
my god, I freaked out.
It's okay. So yeah, Charlie's just walking around. So, oh yeah, there's just a really, really tiny piglet. Right there. Can't really see it very well. Oh, there you go. Just want to focus though.
Subscribe to Antoine.
Yes, there's this little piglet there. Cute, huh?
Subscribe to Autotune.
I don't know why we're like touring you through my.
Oh my god, is this a real head?
Yeah, it's a real crocodile.
Can I touch it?
Yeah. Just right up.
Oh my god, it's a real. Oh my god.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go now. We'll add more stuff to this later on. We miss you. There's a crocodile head. Oh, and I'm just really excited that it's 15 minutes now because we can make like
super
like
long
Shaytard
vlogs.
style vlogs now, which is really awesome.
Wait, but how does Shaytard have 20 minutes worth of?
Because he's a partner.
Oh.
Yeah. So anyways, we'll see you later, and yeah.
Holy.